Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray and it says landscape. That means that auto rotation is definitely off, but you can always switch it on by hitting the same shortcut again. If you want to, you can also go into settings, tap on display section and select advanced. Now tap on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!